that just make your mouth water? Gotta love it. Yep, fat guy cooking right there. Oh yes, steak and onions. More onions for the eggs. Be right back. That's gonna turn out just nice. Scrambled eggs, steak with onion. Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty good meal. Thank you for tuning in to yet another episode of What Can I Cook in a Van? And there we have it. Steak and onions with a side of eggs. Keep in mind, folks, I'm still waiting on ideas and recipes. If anybody's got something they think I couldn't cook in a van, give me a shot. I'd like to give it a try. I'm going to go ahead and dig in. I hope all is well, and until next time, happy trails.